Alright, so it's been like 10 minutes. Now you can hear it. I started messing with it. I put it in reverse and it started doing it. You see how it goes down? Now if I put it in park, it still does it. It almost dies. It probably will die. So you can hear the fan come on, but I don't know what's causing it to do that. It's either the throttle body or the I don't know what is the knock sensor. So if you guys have any ideas what this might be, let me know. I'm not giving it any gas, so now it's back to normal. Just don't get it. Try to put it in reverse. Went down a little. Drive. And now it's like basically back to normal. I don't get it. Neutral tire. So, not really sure what it is, guys, but if any of you guys have any idea what that is, it's either the throttle body or knock sensor. If you know which one it is, let me know, please. Thanks for watching.